Hi everyone, welcome back to Ethereum Update. I'm Bob Chow. It's great to see you guys again. Today I'm going to discuss XRP, its recent price movements, and why XRP seems to be disappointing its investors. So as you guys know, XRP's price has been fluctuating a lot. It started from about 14 cents and it moved upwards to about 30 cents, and now it's dropped back down to about 21 cents or 22 cents. And the initial rise in XRP currency was relating to the announcement of the Swell conference. And so people were very excited about what sort of announcements might occur during the Swell conference. And during the Swell conference, basically what happened was Banco Santander as well as the Bank of Siam basically indicated that XRP is recognized as a great option for cross-border payments. Basically, they were kind of saying the same talking points or the same marketing points as SBI Japan had indicated earlier. So, everyone recognizes that XRP, can provide a good solution for cross-border payments. Patrick Griffin, of Ripple, he said that basically, XRP is basically the only enterprise-grade option for banks and other mature financial institutions. So he's basically saying that, compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum, XRP is the most enterprise-ready currency. And I think he's true. Now, where I think XRP fails to deliver is, I think that this conference in general did not provide any solid evidence of actual use of XRP. So right now, everybody's saying the same marketing points, but I think what a lot of investors are looking for, and what I'm looking for, is some sort of evidence of actual use. That is, I want to know how many transactions were done using XRP by Banco Santander, for instance. I want to know what percentage of offshore transactions were performed using XRP by SBI Japan, for instance. I want some solid numbers as to use. I want some solid numbers as to market share. I think people are tired of just hearing about the technical praises of XRP without any evidence of actual use. People are tired of just hearing the same marketing points. At some point in time, we need to see evidence of actual use, actual adoption, maybe a commitment to adopt, a commitment to say we are using XRP for sure, something like that. Okay? We need actual numbers. The only way I can further explain this is to try to analogize it to maybe like a tech company. For instance, imagine if Apple announced the next iPhone 10, and a lot of people, a lot of critics were to review it, and they say the technical features are awesome, but we don't see any evidence of people lining up to get it, or we don't see any evidence of sales. So it's great that critics like it. It's great that people recognize that from a technological standpoint, your product is good. But at some point in time, you need evidence of sales. You need evidence that people are actually using it. Like in the case of Apple, at some point in time, you need to see that people are lining up for the iPhone 10. You need to see actual evidence of sales in order for the price of Apple to appreciate. So I think that's what the problem of XRP is that everybody says that XRP is great, and they recognize the technical aspects of XRP, but so far we haven't really gotten any hard numbers as to how many people are using XRP. If I'm incorrect, please let me know. Please let me know in the comments if you know of solid evidence of people using XRP in terms of like numbers, percentages of transactions using XRP. Please leave that evidence in the comments, and I'll update this review. But so far, I'm very concerned that we don't have actual numbers of actual use yet, actual evidence of market share yet. And this is particularly disturbing because other banks are coming up with other coins as well. Even SBI Japan is coming up with its own coin. SBI Japan is investing heavily in XRP and Ripple, but they're also developing their own coin on the side. Same thing with UBS. That's UBS Bank of Scotland. They're developing their own utility settlement coin as well. So it's very disturbing that other people are coming up with other coins, and even though Ripple and XRP has had a head start, they haven't established evidence of actual use, commitment to using XRP yet. So those are my thoughts about XRP right now. I'm going to be looking for actual evidence of actual use in the future. Please let me know if you guys agree or disagree with my comments about XRP. And if this video was helpful for you, please feel free to subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much. Bye.